In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Calendar and Meet API keys. If you're developing an application that requires access to Google services, integrating these APIs can be incredibly useful. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring everything is as clear and straightforward as possible. To begin, let's head over to the Google Cloud Console. You'll need a Google account to access this, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're there, you'll notice there's an option at the top to select a project. Click on this and then choose New Project. Give your project a descriptive name, perhaps something like Calendar API Project, to easily identify it later. Once you're happy with the name, go ahead and click Create. After creating your project, it will take you to your project's dashboard. Here, we're going to utilize the left side menu where you'll find APIs and services. Hover over it and you'll see an option for Library. This is where we can search for and select the required APIs. Type Google Calendar API in the search bar, click on it when it appears, and then press Enable. If you also need the Google Meet API, you can follow the same steps to enable it, provided it's available and necessary for your project. Now, once you have enabled the required APIs, it's time to manage credentials, which are vital for protecting your project. Head back to the APIs and Services section in the left menu and click on Credentials. At the top of this page, you will see plus Create Credentials. Click on it and choose API Key. In moments, you'll see the API key generated and displayed on your screen. This key is crucial as it allows your application to interface with Google services, so it needs to be kept secure. Speaking of security, there's an optional yet strongly recommended step you should take to safeguard your API key. You'll want to click on Restrict Key, which lets you limit its usage. For example, you could restrict it to particular websites or specific IP addresses. This additional step ensures that your key doesn't get used by unauthorized parties. Finally, copy your API key and integrate it into your application or code. This will be the bridge connecting your application to Google services, allowing it to access calendar functions or Google Meet functionalities as required. And there you have it. We've gone through the complete process of obtaining and securing your Google Calendar and Meet API keys using Google Cloud Console. This guide should make it easy for you to start integrating these APIs into your application seamlessly. Remember, securing your API key is as crucial as obtaining it. Thanks for watching and good luck with your development endeavors.